Today we are going to replace the Legion Go 2 with a 4TB hard disk drive. Prepare a Windows 11 system hard disk drive. It has an expansion slot and a keyboard mouse. Then remove the 8 screws on the back cover. But I don't have 2 screws under the chassis of this engine, so there are only 6 screws. After removing the screws, open the back cover, then disconnect the battery connection cable. Remove the 3 screws on both sides of the fan. These 3 screws are the same length as the screws on the back cover, so they can be put together. After removing the battery, disconnect the fan and the connection cable of the speaker. After starting the fan, you can see the hard disk drive. Remove the fixed screw on the hard disk drive and remove the hard disk drive. Because the hard disk drive we want to replace is 2280, so we need to change the position of the screw. There are 2 holes on the motherboard. You can use a hard disk drive of 2 different specifications, 2242 and 2280, but I don't know if the official version of this engine is the same. Install the hard disk drive and the fixed screw. After installing the hard disk drive, don't connect the fan directly. If you connect it directly, you will find that there is a gap between the hard disk drive and the fan. In this way, the fan will not affect the hard disk drive. So we need to add a 2mm thickness to the hard disk drive. In this way, we can transfer the hard disk drive's power to the fan's fan blade. The design of the V-Sync 2nd generation is much better than the 1st generation. Next, install the fan and the battery, and then install all the screws. Then plug in the power supply, keyboard, mouse, and the system USB flash drive into the expansion slot. Then check the expansion slot on Legion Go 2 and turn it on. But note that there is no system on my hard disk drive, so after turning it on, it will automatically enter the system in the hard disk drive. If you have a system in your hard disk drive, you can press F2 to enter when turning it on, change the BIOS and start the order, install the system here. I tried the control operation, language, and keyboard settings. Just press the next step. Install options here. After I accept this English pre-selection, press the next step. Select the product key here. I don't have a product key. Install. Then select the Windows system version you want to install and click Next. After the statement and terms appear, select Accept. Next is the selection of the partition. Because this is a new hard disk drive, I divided it into 2 areas. If your hard disk drive doesn't need a partition, just select C disk and install it. Next, wait patiently for the installation to be completed. It takes about 5 minutes. There may be several restarts during the installation process. Because the Wi-Fi drive has not been installed yet, there is no network. Select here. I don't have an internet connection. After the copy is completed, if you don't see the drive in the drive restore, you just need to close the drive restore and reopen it. You can see it. After clicking the restore button, the driver spirit will automatically install all the drivers. Wait patiently for a while until it appears and restart immediately. After the restart is completed, enter the device manager to see if there are any uninstalled drive location devices. Now the Wi-Fi can be used. Let's connect first. Then open the driver spirit and click Drive Management. After waiting for the automatic inspection to be completed, find an AMD chip drive and install it. Click Install and enter the device manager to see if there are any uninstalled device locations. After installing the drive, let's install Legion Space. Pay attention here. Open Legion Space, be sure to disconnect the network. If the network is connected, Legion Space will automatically update. After updating, Legion Go 2 cannot be used. If this problem occurs, the solution is to download and reinstall it. If you are a fan of Legion Need to Drive and software, you can email me. I will send you the Baidu website to download the address. Although the official website does not have a keyboard, I have already started. All kinds of keyboard protectors will also be released as soon as possible. Detailed introduction video and prices. See you in the next video.